Welcome to SS Tutorial. Today I came here with one more new video. This video is going to be on a very important topic. So please don't skip and keep watching. Today in this video we will talk about glacial trough or U-shaped valley. Let's begin. Glacial trough or U-shaped valley is one of the most remarkable erosional landform of glacier. During ice age, river valleys are covered by glacial ice. Due to erosion of glacier over the entire valleys, a steep and straight-sided wall with a flat valleys floor forms. These valleys are shaped like English word U. That is why it is known as U-shaped valley. Most of glacial trough are formed on river valleys, but there is not found any similarities of river valleys in its cross profile as well as its long profile. It may take 10,000 to 10 million years for a river valley to become a glacial valley. According to Davis, a glacial valley is like a catenary curve. According to D. Linton, glacial trough may 4 types. They are alpine trough, Icelandic trough, composite trough and intrusive trough. Hanging valley is nothing but a tributary valley which is situated in higher altitude than its main valley. When a relatively small glacier met with a relatively larger glacier, then volume of larger glacier is increased. As a result, larger glacier erodes its valley very deeply, so a deep valley forms. But its tributary glacier form a shallow valley, as it had very small amount of ice. This tributary glacial valley is known as hanging valley. After retreat of glacier, a waterfall may form into hanging valley. Yosemite waterfall in California form like this. Hanging valley may also form in fjord system, where main fjord is deeper than its hanging fjord. Here, depth of hanging fjord may 400 meter, but its main fjord may deeper than 1200 meter. This hanging fjord and its main fjord both are found under the water. Fjord is nothing but a type of glacial valley. When a glacial valley formed near to the coast, it may fill by the seawater. This submerged glacial valley is known as fjord. Fjord is located at sea level. Fjord may deep as 1200 meter. It may found in Norway, Greenland, Alaska, Chile and New Zealand coast. Sogne Fjord in Norway is one of the notable examples of fjord. Some faults and cracks may also found into fjord. Here we have to remember that fjord and fjord are actually semi-identical, but major difference is fjord is small and shallower than fjord. Due to erosional differences of glacier, glacial steps or glacial stairway may forms on the glacial valley floor. Every glacial step has 3 parts. They are riser, regal and trait. Flat part of a glacial valley with reverse of valley slope is known as trait. Steep part of a glacial valley is known as riser. Between riser and trait, there is a natural rock dam at the crest of the rise is known as regal. After retreat of glacier, there may form a chain of lake into glacial trough, which is connected by a single stream is known as Paternoster Lake or Ribbon Lake. They are like finger-shaped. Lake Washington in USA is a notable example of Ribbon Lake. Truncated spur is nothing but a spur made by glacial erosion. We know river form a pattern of interlocking spur, but when a valley glacier moves into the river path, it cannot avoid this spur as like river. So, due to abrasion and plucking of glacier, a steep cliff like spur forms, which is known as truncated spur. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. To get more new video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for